Hi everyone, I'm Brinda Shriyam, currently pursuing my final year graduation in chemistry at Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science, Bangalore. My article is about gardening, tropic plants. Tropical plants are plants which are native to the tropical regions of world. Thanks to the consistent climate conditions in the areas where these plants evolved, they have a number of very specific adaptations which make them very unique. Many people in tropical and subtropical regions like to use tropical plants in landscaping, and they are also kept as house plants and conservatory specimens all over the world, with especially distinctive examples fetching very high prices from specialty purveyors. Botanic plants. A botanical garden or botanic garden is a garden dedicated to the collection, cultivation, preservation, and display of an especially wide range of plants which are typically labeled with their botanical names. It may contain specialist plant collections such as cacti and other succulent plants, herb gardens, plants from particular parts of the world, and so on. There may be greenhouses, shade houses, again with special collections such as tropical plants, alpine plants, or other exotic plants. Good plant decoration. Just note that no matter where your experience with plants, you should be still confident it comes to including them in your house or apartment. Whether you are a long-time plant parent or just being to build a collection of green friends, you know by now that plants desire a prime place in your home. Plants can add so much character to a room. They liven up a space, and there are so many different varieties of plants. Thank you for your patient listening.